The bull market may be beginning again. We have meme coins starting to pop up and go crazy trending. And here's something cool. A Solana coin that's been taking over the internet in the past 24 hours. Looks like Solympics is going absolutely ballistic, up nearly 134% on the 1 day, trending on CoinMarketCap. What's going on with this brand new meme token that has caught the internet by storm? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Solympics, a Solana meme coin that's just been going absolutely ballistic. And we're gonna take a total deep dive to see whether or not it's worth buying into or not. Guys, we can see overall crypto market looking absolutely bullish. Fear and greed index at a whopping 63%. Bitcoin back to $63,000. Ethereum at $3,500 and about to break some crazy all-time highs as Ethereum ETFs are launching, I guess later today, which is ballistic as crazy. Make sure you check out our last Ethereum video to get more news on what's going on with Ethereum. But all these things are great for one reason only, because it causes money to come to the market and gets this fear and greed index all the way to greed and people to start buying up meme coins. And we know that's where we make a lot of profits on the channel, by buying and trading meme coins. Specifically, some of the pre-sale gems we cover on this channel, which will cover a pre-sale gem that you don't want to miss out later in the video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to make sure we take a look at that pre-sale gem that you absolutely need to buy. Today, we're taking a look at Solympics, as it's been trending and going absolutely crazy, up 94%, and it was just listed on CoinMarketCap, I believe, earlier today, with a $1.3 million market cap that has not been necessarily verified by CoinMarketCap just yet. This project's going absolutely ballistic, up a whopping 137%. The community is just going crazy. This is so early. Hope to send hard before the Olympics open, and that's what's happening, guys. People are buying this token, loading up before the Olympics, hoping that the Olympics is gonna, when the Olympics are trending, this Sol token is going to trend as well. It is on Solana as well, a popular chain earlier this bull run. It looks like Solana may be making a comeback, so that's great. It is listed on Solana. But let's go ahead and take a look at what Solympics even is. We come to the website and it has this very cartoonish, anime-ish style website, some Olympics branding, get ready for a marathon, welcome to the Solympics, where the Solana memeable forces meets a world favorite contest. The Olympics, experience hilarious memes, wild challenges, and epic competitions. Join us for the ultimate blend of Solana culture and our Olympic spirits. Let the games begin. Sharpen those meme generators, scratch those meme muscles, and get ready for a play like never seen before. It's going to be epic, insane, and utterly degen. Time since launch, we can look 14 days and 53 minutes at the time of filming this video, at least. We are here. Don't miss out your chance to win some big Solympics marathon run. Our Ape Solympics, and when you click on it, it takes you to Radium, where you could swap Solana for the tokens, which is cool, very easy to buy. We see a lottery NFT. Each NFT gives you a chance to win exciting prizes. Should the country and sport represented by your NFT take first place, you will be rewarded. Prizes for the top 3 positions in every sport will be provided, ensuring a thrilling and rewarding experience for all participants. A collection of 1,100 unique NFTs by 10 plus 1 wildcard, different countries, and featuring 100 sporting events. So it looks like they have an NFT as well, and NFTs have a chance for you to win pretty big, and I guess that's what's causing it to go trending. The mix of the coin and the NFT is just causing people to go crazy over this token. Now we go over to X, guys. On X, they have less than 2,000 followers, and we can see they're pretty active, getting a decent engagement, decent posts, and just kind of getting the community rally up. We see it was just trending on CoinMarketCap earlier today, and still trending in at the number 2 spot. We anticipate a lot of this action and a lot of the volume from the trending tab is going to go over, and people are going to find the project, hence us making this video right now. That's interesting. But again, guys, don't please do your own research and due diligence before investing in this project, as we're not affiliated with this project at all. And again, I haven't done any research other than seeing it on the trending tab, and I wanted to take a review. It looks pretty cool, but again, do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in this project. Now, earlier in this video, I was saying on this channel we make a lot of money in pre-sales, specifically meme coin pre-sales. Here's a pre-sale gem that I was talking about that we over here on 99B have pre-vetted and we are pretty bullish for, and this one is the meme game. So very similar to Solympics, a Solana themed Olympics token. This is the meme games, okay? And the meme games is not just on Solana. You can buy with ETH, USDT, card, BNB, you name it. It's similar in a sense where you could play with with characters that represent different countries in a gamified way. We see opening ceremony, light your torches in the inaugural meme games where crypto meets Phantasmic meets the crypto coin Phantasmic meets the spirit of the 2024 Olympics. Pick your favorite meme competitor and watch them go gold. So basically, how to win: you buy the meme games tokens and enter your competitor. Select the meme athlete you want to compete, watch and win, and if your athlete wins in the meme game event, you will earn 25% bonus on tokens you purchase, and you may also play as many times as you want to increase your chances of winning. Looks like they have Brett, Doge, Pepe, Turbo, Whiff. They have it all. This project's been going absolutely crazy. They've raised already $224,000, so still relatively new, and over on X they have a whopping 17,000 followers, so people are starting to huddle up. They're getting great engagement as well on their social media. They're really growing their community, so this is looking like a solid opportunity, especially if you already hold Solympics or you've been interested in Solympics. You may want to grab a bag of the meme games, as it is a similar themed token, but it's in the pre-sale, meaning it hasn't gone live yet. You could buy before its price increase, so you can buy it at absolute lowest price, and when it goes live, you can be ready to cash out a massive bag. But like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps the video. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.